This right here is the Bosch GSB 18V-55. It's a brushless combi drill. I'm joined by the wonderful Chris from Bosch. Now, Chris, what kind of customer is going to want to be picking up this kind of tool?
Honestly, anyone getting started, as it's an entry-level machine, anyone who wants to get started using it for normal applications, this will do probably 90% of your work out there.
Now, you say entry-level. Now, this has confused me a little bit because I picked this up. It's got a metal chuck on the end here. Now, I feel like most people would kind of, assign the kind of metal chuck to, more of a heavy-duty application, so...
No, this is a full metal ROM 13mm chuck, standard now on all our brushless machines, even the entry-level ones.
I mean, that's impressive then. So what can we kind of expect from this combi?
Well, as it's a 55 Newton meters of torque, allowing you to drill into wood 35mm, or if you're wanting to drill into metal, again, 13mm, and when you're wanting to drill into standard brick, red brick and stuff like that, again, 13mm maximum dip.
That's lovely stuff. So I'm seeing you've got the 18-volt Pro Core battery in the bottom here. Is this compatible with all 18-volt batteries?
Yeah, it works with the Pro Core batteries, or will work perfectly fine with the standard cool pack batteries as well.
Now that is lovely stuff. So if you're looking to dip your toe into Bosch with this entry-level brushless combi drill, then you are going to want to check out the Bosch GSB 18V-55 brushless combi drill. It's available now at its.co.uk.